Today, I got something awesome. We've got some brand new wheels. Yeah, baby. Got that Chinese knockoff NKs. Oh yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna open these bad boys up and inspect them. So, what I'm doing is I gotta test all the wheels on this baby girl and her stock fucking wheels.
I call it a ride. Rhymes with grug.
That doesn't rhyme.
It's gonna get us places faster than shoes. Yeah! Try to keep up!
Anywho, the reason we have to test each and every one of the wheels is, well, actually, simply put, right here. Before mounting tires, please test fit wheels for correct bolt pattern and offset prior to mounting tires.
You made those words up.
Great. Basically, I went with an aggressive fitment. They actually have a chart on their website, but I knew the fitment I wanted. So we're going with, these are the Kensei 7s. They're new this year, last year actually. They're basically a copy of NK RPF 1s, but they have 7 spokes instead of 6. It holds a little bit more weight, and it is a little heavier by like 1 or 2 pounds, but they're much, much better than the stock wheels, and they are much, much cheaper at $450 cheaper because of the tax day credit. So, booyah, thanks government.
The government is a greedy piglet that suckles on a taxpayer's teat until they have sore, chapped nipples.
The fitment we decided to go with is not on the box, but I will pull one of these out and I will actually get this mount jacked up and then we can show you. I got a knife. All right, so first we're gonna open up one of these bad boys and close up the knife. All right, what's this say? Rims at the development of production by translating the customer's psychological feelings and needs into the domain and product design. What the fuck is that supposed to mean? Ooh, sticker! Always be sure to use the proper lug/bolt application and torque to spec. Recheck torque after 100 miles. Kensei wheels need special attention to maintain
proper name, place name, backstory stuff.
I think I got it, but just in case, tell me the whole thing again. I wasn't listening.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. That looks pretty good, I think. The fitment pokes a little bit, but here's the thing. I can probably adjust the camber, and it's actually okay that it pokes out a little bit. I don't want it to be like crazy negative camber, like all those weirdos that just have it on a streetcar, because that's me. But I definitely need a bit of camber so that, or a bit of play so when I do come out straight, eventually these fronts, I want to get the wide body fenders and bumper from Vertex. I just resprayed the fender and the door because someone hit me, but I would love to do the wide body kit from Vertex. I don't want over fenders for the rear quarter panel though. The reason being because you basically just glue it over the paint and shit, and I don't want to ruin an already awesome body line, and it's already wider in the back. Like, it actually gets wider in the back. So with a pretty marginal change in camber, like a degree or two, it shouldn't really poke all that much. So, but we'll see, because we'll just double check that they're all the same. But for comparisons, this is, I mean, top down, dead center like that, I have like a ½ inch of, like maybe 3/4 inch of poke. So we're trying to get flush, but I also want an aggressive fit. These are a 9.5 width, so they are pretty beefy wheels. Anyways, let's pop these guys off and put the next set on. All right. Let's see. Today is wheel and tire day. So, oh, it auto lock. I didn't even press the button, I swear. All right, so today's wheel and tire day. Today we're gonna be getting new tires and the wheels put on. We'll see how it looks. All righty, gonna get her into bay number 3. Oh, should have done that hard. It's weird looking at it through the perspective of the camera, but yeah, holy crap, she's pretty clean. All my camera equipment in the car. We're gonna pull her in bay 3 and see how she looks. All right, guys, we're gonna just be doing a little bit of B-roll footage here of them installing the wheels. One problem that did occur was that the wheels actually went on, lowered the car a lot further than we expected. However, after further investigation, we figured out that the coilovers were completely taken off of threads. So I had to go in there by hand and increase the tension on the coilover so that I could actually drive the vehicle. And later you'll see that I actually take it to a different shop to adjust that at the end. But for now, just enjoy some of the footage, and see you guys in the next video.